Subscribe to Smartphone Tutorials by clicking on the subscribe button, and do remember to click on the notification bell icon to get instant notifications.
Alright guys, welcome to Smartphone Tutorials. Now before we begin, today's video is going to be very short. There is something that I wanted to address to you guys and let you know what is coming up next on Smartphone Tutorials. So today's video is nothing special like flashing, routing and stuff. That will continue to happen on this channel. But today we're going to talk about the 4 phones that we have in house right now. Right now we have the OnePlus 6 that has a broken display. So that should be back in action in a week's time. The Note 9 doesn't have any development. So there's not many videos that I expected for those. But the other 2 devices that we have in house are really exciting. The one that we are talking about is of course Rolex, that is Redmi 4A, that is personal favorite on this particular channel with the amount of attention that that phone gets. And we have the Zenfone Max Pro M1. So the guys with Zenfone Max Pro M1, you guys have been waiting for a very long time. The wait is almost over. From tomorrow, one day we'll have a Redmi 4A upload and one day we'll have an upload for the Zenfone Max Pro M1. Now there are around 7 different ROMs available which are based on Android Pie for the Rolex, that is Redmi 4A and 5A. These are unified ROMs. Most of the things are working, including voice over LTE, camera and other stuff. So we're going to do an install and preview of those 7 ROMs, and there are around 8 to 10 different ROMs available for the Zenfone Max Pro M1, out of which I'm using this phone as my daily driver. That is correct, from a OnePlus or a Note 9 directly to a 636. That is quite a drop, I understand, but then again it's you know, my work, my duty to go ahead and use this ROMs as my daily driver and give you guys an honest review. So it's been a while that we've not done ROM reviews, and that is going to start very soon. But initially we will have for the next 2 weeks installs and previews for Rolex as well as Zenfone Max Pro M1. So that's going to be around 15 different ROMs right there. Should be really exciting. At the same time, once these videos are done, I will be doing full reviews of the most requested ROMs. So let me know in the comment section which is the ROM that you would want me to make a complete review of. Now when I talk about reviewing a particular ROM, it's just not that I used it for 2 or 4 hours and gave you a review. No, I'm going to insert my SIM card in that particular phone. I'm going to install that ROM and I'll be using it at least for a day or 2, and I'll be, you know, trying to check if I can use it as a daily driver or not before I suggest you guys to use it as a daily driver. So that is all that is coming on Smartphone Tutorials in the next 2 weeks, and it sounds really exciting. At the same time, OnePlus and Note 9 videos will continue, so do not get disappointed if you have one of those devices. So the awesomeness is just going to get next level on Smartphone Tutorials, and yes, the videos going forward will be of much better quality. There won't be any grain, any noise distortion and stuff, because that is what I've been working on in the last few days. For now, this was a very short video. I wanted to address to you guys what exactly is coming up next. Let me know in the comment section if there is anything that I missed or anything else that you want me to cover. For now, this is Kailash signing off at Smartphone Tutorials, and don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned. See you in the next one. Goodbye.